Don't miss out. The no down payment option is available on the stunning, totally remodeled 4-bedroom, 2-bath brick rancher, conveniently located at 2404 Brookline Drive off of Sparkman Drive in beautiful Huntsville, Alabama. You will experience love at first sight as you step into a warm, inviting space with gorgeous wood floors that flow into a loaded, updated kitchen. I am Sandra Brazelton, a 30-year CEO real estate broker for Quali-tech Properties, real estate instructor, mortgage professional, housing and credit counselor. We enjoy top 1% nationwide real estate credentials. We have helped clients from 19 to 82 years old secure the blessings of home ownership. We know seeing is believing, so please be our guest at our open house Sunday, March 2nd, 2025 from 2 to 4 and leave with loan pre-approval and a solid offer to claim your dream home.